Welcome to Module 3, where we delve into the world of social and mass media and the powerful force of advertising. We begin by defining the mass media, which are the principal means of communication considered en masse. We'll explore the main categories of mass media, their specific examples, and the respective advantages and disadvantages of each. Following mass media, we will define social media, understanding its role as a revolutionary communication platform. Next, let's examine the communication process specific to mass media, which is distinct from other forms. This includes looking at the communication process diagram and identifying the key elements involved in mass communication. We will also differentiate between mass communication and the more intimate context of interpersonal communication. The mass media plays several vital functions and roles within our society, which we will explore in detail. Understanding the language employed by mass media is crucial for interpreting messages effectively. The choice of language is heavily influenced by the target audience and the objective or purpose of the message being conveyed. We will contrast objective and subjective language usage, looking at how register, style, and tone shift between emotional and rational communication. This leads us to the critical distinction between ethical rhetoric and the more concerning areas of manipulative reporting and propaganda. We dedicate a section to understanding the mechanics of manipulative reporting and propaganda. Manipulative reporting uses techniques like selective emphasis on emotional aspects, presenting facts out of context, and using biased photographs to support the narrative. We will define propaganda, explore its core elements, and look at the various techniques employed by propagandists to influence public opinion. Shifting gears, we focus on the role and impact of advertising within the mass media landscape. We start with a clear definition of advertising, its primary purpose, and the common criticisms leveled against it. To be successful, advertising must meet certain requirements, which we will now break down. The AIDA model is a fundamental framework, and effective advertising always starts with a deep understanding of the product or service being promoted. Knowing your target audience and utilizing market and group segmentation are non-negotiable for achieving advertising success. We'll review different presentation styles, including factual or hard sell, imaginative or soft sell, negative approaches, and the use of humor. Finally, all effective advertising must operate within the constraints of the existing budget, a practical necessity for any campaign.